Just a day after Oppo teased its first foldable device, the Find N, EVLeaks now has posted some official press renders. The Oppo Find N is going to be an interesting one. It will apparently be a vertical folder, just like the Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but it will feature a much more compact form factor with much more wider aspect ratio when unfolded. That's kind of cool. Now at the back there are 3 camera sensors, and one of them is a 50 megapixel main sensor. The other cameras are ultra wide and teleported, most probably, because the specs are still sketchy at this point. But according to the past leaks, these are the specs: 6.5-inch curved 1080p external display, 8-inch 120Hz 1440p internal display, the foldable one, 50 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 13 megapixel rear camera setup, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. I don't know which one they are talking about, and whether there is a selfie camera inside flip, we don't know. And then there is a 4500 mAh battery inside the foldable. We don't know about the fast chargings, so no 65 watt, no nothing like that. We don't know about that. 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage option. Now the launch date is 15th of December, so we don't have to wait that much. And if you want the wallpapers from the thumbnail photos, then visit my website joindavid.com, link down below. And apparently, after leaving OnePlus, its founder has moved to Oppo and has been placed in charge of this foldable phone project. So yeah, it does look really interesting. And now it looks like the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have a proper competition. Even though I don't still know about the proper specs like the processor and all those stuff, but going by the design, it surely will give the Galaxy Z Fold 3 a top competition. Either way, it's good for us, the consumers. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.